Hello! We are from Sains Bina Insan Kamil Tuban.
So, in this nice occasion, we are going to presentation about our STEAM project.
Before that, let us introduce our team. My name is Muhammad Akbar.
My name is Alfa.
My name is Bunga.
My name is Novia Chelsea.
So, the title of our project is the optimization of peanut shell, soybean bran, saffron rice, and sour turmeric as an ingredients for making supplement feed for chickens.
Okay guys, we have realized that so many potential livestock and agriculture, especially in Tuban city, which go away waste like soybean bran, peanut shell, and herbal drugs. So we make a new innovation that called chicken feed supplement.
Therefore, we make an innovation by combining natural ways to create a product that is useful and has marketable value, namely the supplemented feed to improve the quality of chickens by paying attention to development of body weight and metabolism in chickens.
Now we are moved to the method. The first is we have to prepare tools and material, and then we have to mix 500 grams steamed soybean bran. Wow. And 100 grams of fine peanut shell in this place. And then stir until evenly mixed like this.
Okay guys, after that we add 300 ml of gas washing water in this place. Like this. After that, we add 10 grams of supplement. And stir until mixed well.
And for the last step is covering the surface of the container for making the fermentation process in the feed.
Okay guys, now we want to check this body weight of two chicken with supplement and without supplement. First we want to check this chicken. Okay, this chicken has weight for 1800 gram. Okay, 1800 gram. After that, we check this chicken with supplement, with chicken feed supplement. Okay, we can see that. We can see that chicken feed supplement has weight 1 kilogram. So we can conclude that chicken that give chicken feed supplement more body weight than this chicken without supplement.
So the conclusion that we get from our project is chicken that we give supplement increase in weight more than chicken that we don't give supplement. Because why? Because the ingredients that we use is a natural ingredient which is highly nutritious and nothing bad effect for chicken.
So the second is supplement feed that we have made can be a solution for people bored in livestock.
Well, that's all about our presentation.
We apologize for our mistake. Thank you for your attention.
Bye bye!